I'm going to give you your very first sneak peek at the never-before-seen scene from High School Musical 2. It's right here in the secret vault where we keep all the cool stuff from the movie, like this outfit from Sharpay's fabulous collection. Sharpay! Girl! One of my favorite outfits in the movie is when I'm golfing. It's really cute. It's just like a little tennis outfit, actually. Another one of my favorites, this blue one right here. I wear it for All for One. It just reminds me of a mermaid for some reason. I do like the color pink. However, Sharpay loves the color pink. Her locker is pink. You know, they made a pink golf cart. She was definitely in love with pink. And the difference between me and Sharpay would have to be, Sharpay loves everything dripping in rhinestones. I would wear, you know, this dress out, but again, it has tons of rhinestones. Can you imagine dancing in these kind of shoes? It definitely was a challenge dancing in the heels. Probably the easiest was when I was barefooted in Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apawa. It was cold, so my feet were a little cold, but it was so much easier than dancing in heels. My favorite accessory would have to be the golf cart. I think everybody can use a pink golf cart.
This DVD comes with a full performance of Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apawa, rehearsal cam, and more. DVD and Disney Blu-ray disc December 11th. And to see a sneak peek of the never-before-seen scene, keep watching Disney Channel tonight. With High School Musical 2 star Ashley Tisdale. Brought to you by High School Musical 2 Extended Edition. Coming to Disney DVD.
The sneak peek of the never-before-seen scene is almost here. Coming to you straight from the secret High School Musical 2 vault. This place is amazing. Do you think anyone would miss these clothes?
Who were the real athletes on the set of High School Musical 2? Let's find out.
Probably Chris Warren. Yeah, he's actually a football player. He's really good. Zach's pretty good at basketball. He is really good. I don't play sports. They would tell me, you know, they'd say, oh, tomorrow morning you have golf lessons with the coach. And I'm like, oh, okay, cool. And then, like, I would just kind of hide in my house. By the end of summer, you'll have me playing like a pro.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, in one of the scenes with Troy, where he's teaching me to golf, and I'm acting like I don't know how to golf at all.
That girl's got more moves than an octopus in a wrestling match.
At the very end, you see that I, know exactly what I'm doing. I had to get the perfect shot. I did hit a good one. However, in the movie, it's not me. The actual shot was the golf coach. So I might have failed.
This DVD comes with the full performance of Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apawa, bloopers, and more. High School Musical 2 Extended Edition. Coming to Disney DVD and Disney Blu-ray disc.
Buddy, it's that time. The moment you've all been waiting for. The sneak peek of the never-before-seen scene. Now, if I could just remember where I put it. It's not here. Not here. Oh, wait. It's right here.
Today we recorded Huma Huma. Fun stuff. A long time ago, in a land far away, the pineapple princess Kiki.
You envision what the scene's going to be like, and it's more of a comedy. You know, it's not really supposed to be taken seriously.
Is such a weird, crazy song. The first time I heard it, I was just like, what is going on here?
And now, here it is, the sneak peek of the never-before-seen scene. Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apawa.
Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apawa. Ooh, I wanna waka 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 Nikki poo poo poo. Everybody! Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apawa. Makahini Makahini hoo. Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apawa. Ooh, I wanna waka 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 Nikki poo poo poo. Waka 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 Nikki poo poo poo. Waka 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 Nikki poo poo. That's the sneak peek of Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apawa. I hope you had as much fun hanging out here in the High School Musical 2 vault as I did. Thanks for watching, everybody. Love ya.
This DVD comes with a full performance of Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apawa, rehearsal cam, and more. High School Musical 2 Extended Edition. Coming to Disney DVD and Disney Blu-ray disc December 11th.